Okay, it's time for puppy feeding 101. So you put a sheet down. That way they can just get the puppy food all over the place. And you move stuff out of the way. Okay, puppies. Now, as you can see, they had their first experience yesterday. They have a tendency to step in it. So what you have to do is take all your puppies. Okay, guys, look. There's food here. Now, this little guy over here is always starving to death right here. Little black guy. Okay, come on, guys. Look at these guys. They're like, we're sleeping. No, you need to be eating. Okay. Little guy here. Come on, wake up. Wake up, it's dinner time. Come on, little girl. Come on. Oh, come on, little girl. Look. Now, it's a delicate balance here feeding puppies, because you gotta give them just enough. Make it just liquid enough for them to kind of lap it up, but not so much liquid that they kind of aspirate it. So you're trying to, and you want them to be, sometimes what I do is I'll put it like up to their face. But, you know, sometimes you can kind of put it up along the edges here, like this. Here, look. Here. Kind of put it in their mouth a little bit. They can get the taste of it. It's funny, but usually they just kind of go crazy over it if they're super hungry. But if their mom's feeding them pretty good, they're not quite as excited. But when they're like starving, they will eat it up pretty well. Now what I do is once they get down to where they've eaten most of it, a lot of times then what I'll do is I'll start pouring just a little bit of water in there, because I want them to be able to have a little bit of water. So I've got this thing here. And so for these guys, I might pour just a touch. Just a touch. Just a touch of water on top. Just a touch. Same here. Just a little touch. You want just a little bit of water, because you don't want them drowning in there. There they are eating.